Hi, this is National Weather Service Warning Coordination Meteorologist Rick Shanklin with the National Weather Service in Paducah, Kentucky. And here's the latest briefing on our impending winter storm. And this is for the region outlined in the red indicated on the map before you. We do have a winter storm warning in effect from 6 o'clock tonight through midnight Friday night, depicted by the pink shaded area on the map. We also have a winter storm watch currently in effect from midnight tonight through midnight Friday night, indicated in the blue shaded counties. We are expecting freezing rain across parts of the area. We'll talk about details on that in a minute. We expect a change over to all snow by around daybreak Friday, with 4 to 8 total inches of total accumulation by Friday evening. We also have a concern of gusty winds as we progress through this system later tonight and especially Friday. Travel will quickly become very hazardous tonight through Friday. And here is a look at current conditions, at least as of early this afternoon. The low pressure center was along the Texas-Louisiana border with rainfall extending northward into Arkansas and all the way to southwest Tennessee. As we progress into the evening hours, an area of freezing rain is expected to develop and expand across the southern parts of our region, possibly including areas like Paducah, Murray, Poplar Bluff, Sykeston, and Hopkinsville. And later into the evening, by midnight or so, 40 or 50 miles north of that region is indicated by the brown shaded area on the map. However, also be aware that we have already during the day seen some patchy light areas of rain, light freezing rain and light snow, and that will continue to be possible throughout the afternoon across virtually all of the region. However, what we're looking at on this map is the more significant precipitation that we expect to expand north across the area, especially between 6 p.m. and midnight tonight, and then on further north, and then eventually changing over to snow across the area by around daybreak. Here's the latest model forecast for the storm center at 6 a.m. Friday, and as you can see indicated in the blue and the green, precipitation as well encompassing the southern parts of our region along and south of the Ohio River at this time. Also notice all the pressure lines there. That indicates this is a very intense system, and that's why we're going to receive all the wind with it in addition to the wintry precipitation. As a matter of fact, peak wind gust forecast for Friday afternoon are in the 35 to 40 mile an hour range across the Missouri Boot Heel into far western Kentucky, and even 25 to 35 across most of the rest of our region. Total snowfall forecast ranges from less than an inch across the northwest tier of counties to 4 to 8 inches across western Kentucky, with 6 to 8 inches a possible scenario for the southern Pennyroyal and extending toward Murray, Kentucky. Ice is also concerned with this system. We expect 1 to 2 tenths of an inch of ice accumulation across mainly western Kentucky and the Missouri Boot Heel. This area, the trends have indicated this area may actually be a tad further south than depicted with this map, and we'll have later updates as we progress into this event. So in summary, the timing, the main area of wintry precipitation moves north across the region tonight. This will impact especially western Kentucky and the Missouri Boot Heel, also extreme southern Illinois and southwest Indiana. The main weather elements are freezing rain and snow. There will be some brief periods of sleet perhaps. Also strong wind, especially during the day on Friday. And as a result of the strong winds and heavy snow at times, we expect near blizzard conditions, especially over portions of western Kentucky and the Missouri Boot Heel on Friday. Blizzard criteria is actually wind gusts of at least 35 miles an hour, accompanied by heavy snow with visibilities below a quarter of a mile over at least a 3-hour period, and we'll be flirting with that. We think we'll stay below that, but that will cause considerable blowing and drifting of snow as we go through the day Friday, especially where we have the heavier snow amounts across western Kentucky. Also, with the freezing rain and the strong winds, isolated power outages are certainly a possibility late tonight and especially Friday. And what we're quite certain of is extremely hazardous travel conditions as we progress through this event, especially during the day Friday and beyond. So that's the very latest we have on this major winter storm. Stay informed at our website and other sources, and we'll have updates at a later time. Thank you for tuning in.